Today I am going to be showing you how to make chaga tea in an instant pot. Today I will be showing you how I make chaga tea in an instant pot. This is not the only way to make chaga tea, but this is how I make it. You can make it on a stovetop. However, you are not supposed to boil chaga. You can, and you will get a great tasting cup of tea, but this method may destroy some of the beneficial compounds and enzymes that are good for your health. So the taste will be there, but you will lose out on some of the health benefits if you boil it. I believe that using the Instant Pot is safe, simple, and effective, and will allow you to get the most out of your chaga. These are the three main reasons I prefer using the Instant Pot. The Instant Pot's low pressure setting heats the tea from 89 to 95 degrees Celsius, somewhere in that range, which is not quite boiling. This is the sweet spot where you will not degrade any of the compounds, and I have measured to ensure that the temperature does not exceed 100 degrees Celsius. The Instant Pot's low pressure setting keeps the tea at a slight pressure while it brews, around 5.8 to 7.2 psi. Chaga is very hard. The pressure will help force hot steam into the fibers of the chaga. The low pressure setting can be set for up to 4 hours. The final reason I like using the Instant Pot is because there is a keep warm function. You can brew a large batch and use the keep warm function for up to 24 hours. You'll always have a hot cup of chaga sitting on your countertop, so you can just ladle it out and you're good to go. Here's what you will need: an Instant Pot, chaga mushrooms, 3 or 4 chunks, water, a kitchen towel, and a hammer. Alright, here's how to make the tea. Toss in 3 to 4 chunks of crushed chaga into your Instant Pot. Pour in the water. You can use spring water, filtered water, tap water, it really doesn't matter. Here I used about 3 liters. You could add more water, you could add less water. Either way, this is going to be a very potent brew because it's under pressure and the temperature is held constant. So feel free to adjust it to your preference. There's really nothing exact about this. We're just trying to make a delicious drink that's good for our health. There was about this much left in the bottle after pouring. Give it a quick stir. Turn on your Instant Pot. Put the lid back on. Change from venting to sealing. Hit the pressure cook button. You can see it's in its high setting right now. So hit the pressure level button and change it to low. You can see that the keep warm button is lit. Hit the plus sign and run up the clock to 2 hours. I'm doing 2 hours, but you can do anywhere from 2 to 4. Then once the clock runs down, your brew will be complete. Look at this, it looks and smells amazing. It's nice and dark and it's steaming hot. Ladle it into a mug. You can repeat this process up to 4 or 5 times using the same chaga chunks. As long as you're still getting a nice dark tea after every cycle, you're good to go. Just look how dark this is. If you're feeling fancy and you still want to be healthy, drop a piece of this 95% cacao chocolate into your cup and give it a stir. Now you'll have a whole pot of chaga to enjoy. Grab your favorite mug and you're good to go. So I want to tell you a bit more about chaga mushrooms. Chaga is a mushroom that is abundant in the birch forests of northern Canada. It doesn't look like a normal mushroom. It's got a charred appearance on the outside, as you can see here. On the inside, it's got a golden orangey amber color to it. You can buy chaga mushrooms from most health food stores or online. It comes in chunks or powdered form. If you are fortunate to be in a forest with birch trees, you may be able to forage wild chaga. You will have to break your chaga into smaller pieces. Chaga is a very hard mushroom. Do not use a blender or a food processor. They will get damaged. Instead, lay down a kitchen towel. Add your mushroom chunks. Wrap it up, then give it a few whacks. You can see how nicely these were crushed. I want to briefly discuss the health benefits of this mushroom. This is the oxygen radical absorption capacity, ORAC, of various substances. The ORAC system is a way of measuring how rich a particular food is in antioxidants. Chaga is a very potent antioxidant. It is high in beta-glucans. It hunts down free radicals in your body and helps with inflammation. It's very beneficial to your immune system. There is so much more information regarding the health benefits of this wonderful mushroom, but I just wanted to give the main idea. I hope you learned something from watching my video. I think it's important to remember that the trees and the mushrooms are helping us and healing us. They are a vital part of nature. I think sometimes we forget that we are a part of nature. We need to have a relationship with it, respect it, and care for it. Thanks for watching.